as a disclaimer from my side in this presentation. Even if by wrongly, if I talk about some stock, it doesn't mean a buy, sell or a hold recommendation from our side. तो फर्स्ट और कुछ लोग अभी यहाँ पर मुझसे पूछने भी वाले हैं मार्केट में क्या लेना चाहिए, तो उनके लिए मेरे लिए सबसे एक अच्छा सा एडवाइस है क्या, अभी तो मार्केट में भगवान का नाम ले तो ज्यादा अच्छा है। क्लियर? तो भगवान का नाम लेना चाहिए, दैट इज वेरी गुड पार्ट। बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, वी आर व्हाई वी हैव कम हियर चेंजेस इनटू द कोविड। और अभी जब मैं बाहर लोगों से बात करता हूँ, मेरे बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर हैं, मैं सभी लोगों से बात करता हूँ, तो देन आई टॉक टू डिफरेंट पीपल। तो जब लोगों से बात होता है तो पीपल टॉक अबाउट कि यार वेदर वी विल रिकवर फ्रॉम कोविड और नॉट, और कोविड कितना टाइम इंडियन इकोनॉमी में रहने वाला है, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट द इंडियन इकोनॉमी। फर्स्ट आई वांट टू टेक इट कि कोविड से भी कितने ज्यादा, मतलब लाइक फ्रॉम द ग्रेट डिप्रेशन फ्रॉम 1929, और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं 2020 का, उससे पहले कितनी बार मार्केट नीचे गया है। एवरी टाइम people feel the same, market will not recover, but every time market has recovered and और market ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कम बैक किया है, and market has given a wonderful return of, if I take you the this slide, that is great depression to great lockdown. So first I want to talk about 1929. 1929 what happened is a great depression जिसके अंदर यूएसए इंडेक्स -88% -88, can you understand, 90% of the wealth is gone, and again it took 34 months to go down. But after it like go down by 88%, within a period of 12 months, how much it recovered? It recovered 158.3%. Means after that.
Mohit Kapil speaking. Sir, there are some queries from audience. Can you little louder, sir?
Okay. Right now it is okay with everyone?
Absolutely.
Okay. Yes. So we are talking about 1929 to 1929. In within a period of 12 months, the market has recovered from low and given a 158.3% return over a period of 12 months. Means from 88% down, we have recovered right now. Then in way back 1987, Black Monday, market was down 31%. Market took 3 months to go down. Okay, I request everyone to keep your like on mute. Everybody, can you please can you mute your mic? Yeah, thank you.
I'm doing it.
In 1987, the market went by 31%. It took 3 months to go down, but after the making low, within a period of 1 year, market has given 40% return. Then the dot-com bubble, then the financial bubble in 2008, and right now we are coming back to the corona crash, great lockdown, and people are here talking about the market has made a low of -28%. Right now the people are talking about whether the market will recover from here or not. Yes, absolutely market is going to be recover. Like if I start after 19 February, Indian market has made the high, and after that the market has gone down, और मार्केट ने बहुत ज्यादा नीचे गया, and people are feeling scary कि whether the market will recover or not. But in the last 2 months, we are seeing the wonderful recovery into the Indian economy, and here we are seeing here what we are seeing as market has recovered much better than the earlier crashes, and market has taken a V-shaped recovery. जितनी तेजी से मार्केट नीचे गया था ना, उतनी ही तेजी से मार्केट ऊपर भी आया, एंड उसने कोई भी बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लिया। 23 अप्रैल द मार्केट मेड द बॉटम, और उसके बाद वी हैव सीन अ वंडरफुल रिकवरी इनटू द इंडियन इकोनॉमी, एंड राइट नाउ पीपल आर रशिंग टुवर्ड्स इक्विटी। इन द लेटर ऑन slide, Mr. Rohit Gupta is going to share with you how people behave during last 2 months and how much money they have put in the last 2 months in India. So this is from the from Great Depression to the Great Lockdown. What I want to say after this, this too shall pass, ये भी pass हो जाएगा, and और ग्रेट डिप्रेशन और मैं बोलूँगा ग्रेट लॉकडाउन ने बहुत सारे सेक्टर के लिए पोटेंशियल अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, दे हैव स्टार्टेड एट, और it is going much better. If I talk about sector the potential opportunity, there are some sector जहाँ पर जो recovery है, मतलब that is मतलब lockdown is great for them. If I talk about payments, if I talk about retail, if I talk about healthcare, if I talk about online education, not offline, I'm only talking about online. The wonderful opportunity are in these sector. If I talk about payments, totally contactless payment, transaction are going up, cap payment of cash is reduced multiple times, or at the same time online transfer, everything has gone up. And if I talk about same about retail or food delivery, I talk about grocery, that has gone up multiple times. Even what people did, लोगों ने lockdown के अंदर, they have taken a grocery for next 3 months in advance also. And next I go for healthcare. This is my question to everyone also. Okay, please give me reply on chat only. यहाँ पर कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने हेल्थ केयर ऐप कोई ना कोई डाउनलोड करी, दे स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट, दे हैव स्टार्ट देयर ईटिंग हैबिट गुड्स, और मैं बोलूंगा लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव डाउनलोडेड एप्स की लाइक हाउ टू improve health or something like that. What happened after that? I'm looking at the answer of yours. Like, uh, you people are replying over the chat. Yes, yes, yes. One is saying Aradhya Seku. Yes, yes. I have done. Like, there are multiple yes. To me, actually, people are focusing on their health. Even I talk about like, okay, okay, okay. Let's stop it. It's going yes, 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 yes multiple times. Okay, but apart from that, like government spending on the healthcare sector, that has also increased. If I talk about medical equipment, that has also increased. So there is exponential growth in the healthcare sector. और I must say कि जो ये healthcare sector है, ये यहीं पर रुकने वाला नहीं है. From here it is going to be like for next 2 years, I must say, you can make multiple return into the healthcare sector. And the most importantly, we are saying it, the online education. And in online education particularly, I want to keep my focus on the skill development. If you have seen, the skill development e-learn classes has gone up multiple times. People are developing skills. Even I was reading somewhere, when the lockdown opened, people have more certificate than the degree, means they are carrying a multiple certificates. Or I see in the status of people, today they are getting this certificate, today they are getting this certificate. Well, people are adding up certificate, people are adding up skill. That is again wonderful for the education sector in India. Or if I talk about like e-learning is, matlab, e-learning is the future of India. Like earlier there was like, I'm not comfortable at online or something like that. Right now everybody is doing the same. Right now everybody is using, we want to study online. If somebody want to do the meeting, even they want to do the meeting online. Means the exponential growth is coming in this all four sector. But apart from this, there are some sector जिनके ऊपर क्या है, बहुत ज्यादा impact भी हुआ है. तो I must say, yes. तो what are the worst sector जिनको बहुत ज्यादा hit मिला है? That is automobile sector, travel and tourism.
Well,
I know you people are waiting कि travel and tourism कब थोड़ा सा ठीक होगा, and you people will go outside, and everybody love to go कि like अभी पिछले 4 महीना हो गया है घर पर ही बैठी है. Everybody is keep focusing. When everything is going to be fine, we will again go outside somewhere. Or maybe oil and gas and power, these are the worst sector that are get impacted due to COVID. But what we have to see, we have to see the opportunity. If the sector get worse, they are, if I talk about financial market only, if the if there are some sector that get worse, so they are available at cheap prices also. Right now the like automobile sector is at very 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 cheap prices. If somebody want to buy that, means if they are looking for the recovery, might be people are seeing कि they can make good return the sector which are down. This is again, COVID is temporary, it too shall pass. People again will start doing like, I will start, in the COVID I started cycling, maybe after COVID I will start like with the car or something like that, with a bike or two-wheeler, something like that. But ultimately इंडस्ट्री के अंदर रिकवरी आना है, दैट इज फॉर श्योर. कितना टाइम लेगा, दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन कि हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक. बट द रिकवरी माइट बी टू फास्टर। और मुझे लगता है कि ऑटोमोबाइल के अंदर जो रिकवरी है वो और भी जल्दी होना चाहिए ड्यू टू वायरस इवन मींस even right now I will not prefer to go from the metro even. I will try to go from my personal car so that I will not get impacted. So this is the alternate way to see the automobile industry as well. This is what I personally feel. These are some of the sector that are get worst at. So there are some sector that are like best, there are some sector that are like worst. But what is new normal, I think Mr. Vishal Gupta is going to take from here. So I can say he can very well explain you. Mr. Vishal Gupta, you can proceed with here.
Hi. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit. I'm from Motilal Oswal as an AVP for the last. I have a working experience of more than 13 years with this company. So COVID is new to everyone, definitely, and these type of environments, these type of scenario we are seeing for the first time. एंड जनरली ऐसे जब इन्वायरमेंट्स आते हैं, ऐसे सिनेरियोज आते हैं, वो डिकेड में नहीं, सेंचुरीज में एक बार आते हैं। आपको कई बार ऐसे सेंचुरीज में मिलते हैं। सो आज से अगर मैं 3 साल या 2 साल पहले की बात करूं, सो इसे अगर मैं रिलेट करना चाहूँ स्टॉक मार्केट से, एवरीवन वाज सेइंग कि स्टॉक मार्केट, इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट और सेंसेक्स और निफ्टी इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, स्टॉक्स एक्सपेंसिव हैं। सो मार्केट अपने रीजंस, अपने लॉजिक्स की वजह से करेक्शंस देखता है। अगर आप दिसंबर तक भी देखेंगे, मार्केट वाज टचिंग एट न्यू हाई एंड देयर आर 40-50 स्टॉक्स, ऑट स्टॉक्स व्हिच आर मेकिंग न्यू हाईज एंड ड्यू टू व्हिच द मार्केट वाज एट हाई। मार्केट ने उसके बाद करेक्शंस देखे। कोरोना, जैसे इस स्लाइड में आप देखेंगे, मार्च में कोरोना के जो सिम्टम्स थे इंडिया में वो बहुत कम थे इन कंपेरिजन टू द वर्ल्ड, इन कंपेरिजन टू द चाइना, जापान, यूएस, यूके। कोरोना के इम्पैक्ट जो पेशेंट्स इंडिया में वो बहुत कम थे, बट द फियर ऑफ कोरोना वाज मोर। एंड इफ यू हैव हर्ड नरेंद्र मोदी जी टुडे at 4 p.m. what he has told that in the March April we were very serious about corona. We were not moving out, we were following all the rules and regulations given by the local governments or the central governments. But once the lockdown is open, the corona starts showing its impact. So now the fear of corona has come down and the patients are going up. It's reverse now. So what you see, if in the March the numbers of corona are 25-30,000 in totality in the whole country, now the numbers are crossing 5 lakhs. But the people are moving out, they are not following the rules and the regulations. So how can you relate it with the stock market? When the market comes down and when there's a fear in the market, the people generally don't buy. The people generally sell their stocks, or the normal investor, उसे एक ये logic लगता है कि मुझे और सस्ता मिलेगा. They want to buy at a more cheaper price and they miss the rally. So for example, if you see in the December 2019, the market was around 12,000. When this corona hit, the market in March 2020 hit a low of around 7,600. But today in the June, we are sitting at 10,300. So approximately we are sitting in the middle of this correction. So market has given good correction. Market has seen almost 50% recovery from the bottom. Now, as an investor or as a trader, we have to see whether we are able to make most of this opportunity, whether we have bought at the bottom, whether we are able to buy something which is available at almost 80% or 70% or 50% discount. Jainji, next slide. So if we see, believe on this data or not, if you just see the numbers itself, see the online platforms, because in the March and April, if you see, most of the banks were closed down and the people are having fear in their mind. And even in the June, July, the people are having fear that we should not move out even for the banking. So what the people are generally doing, they were doing more of their trades online. they are most of the trades are doing online. So you can see the checks. There's a the check payments are falling, and the UPI and the IMPS payments are growing up. Secondly, this data also shows that most of the retail investors have started buying or activating their accounts. Now there are two things. One, activation of the new account or opening of the new demat account in India, and secondly, there are most of the people who stopped trading in the last 1 year or 2 years due to the non-performance of the market or non-performance of their portfolio. They have seen this opportunity or seen this fall as an opportunity to go ahead and start fresh investment. So definitely you have seen a jump in the market, jump in the mid cap, jump in the large cap. Now if you see, as Jain ji has already told कि market में corrections जो होते हैं वो temporary होते हैं. Market में जो corrections होते हैं due to any reason, whether it's demonetization, whether it's surgical strike, whether it's now COVID, any reason, the corrections are temporary but rally is permanent. See the 1992, when the market before 1992, there was a crash in the market and the market make a high of approximately 4,000. Then a bubble burst in 2000, market again corrected, and then market again bounced back. In 2008, as most of the people have seen, in 2008 market has seen a sharp correction due to US subprime. Then after in 2020 we have seen again the index, the Sensex have showing the new high. So what I'm saying, in every 8 to 10 years market is making a new high. So the first of all, we have to identify whether we are the investors or we are the traders. Identify yourself. If you are the traders, follow the stop losses, follow the rules of the trading. But if you are the investor, invest with a long term view, with a view of 8 to 10 years. Invest your small amount or invest the amount which you don't require in emergency or in urgent need. If you invest from the long term point of view, definitely you will be able to make a wealth for you, because as a India as a person, you don't have left with any more opportunities except the stock market, where you will invest in products like PPF, FDs, bonds, where the rate of where the rate of return is on the declining side. These are the fixed asset products where the rate of return is on the declining side. For example, in 10 years back, if you invest in a FD, you generally get a rate of the FD rate of interest was approximately 10 to 11%. Now today is 6 to 7%. PPF, 10 years back it was around 10.5%. Now it's 8%. So these are the products where the return rate is on the declining side. Gold, which is an all-time high. The gold doesn't generate any income except the appreciation or the depreciation. In itself, it doesn't generate any income. Real estate, which is the less liquid and the high risky. So there are very less products left with you where you can make huge profit. Now, if you see this chart, we have tried to show the years which have given good returns and good excellent returns. The blue one is showing the positive returns and the red one is showing the negative returns. So if you see, if I'm not going very far behind, if you see, take the years from 2005 to 2007, these 3 years in these 3 years the market was almost three times. And after that, in 2008, since 2008 to 2013, it means around 6 years the market was on a slackish way or have seen good corrections in 2008 2009. Then from 2010 it was on the recovery mode, but on the very low rate, at very low rate. Then the people who have invested in these period have seen a abnormal wealth creation in the next 4 years. Now, for the last 3 years, again in 2018 to 2020, you are seeing the market on or is on the sideways or on the correction ways. Market has seen 2 times correction. Again, recovery was coming. So market is on the sideways. People are not making huge profits, but no one's know. Maybe 2021, you can see the market again on the sluggish side, but maybe after 2 years, you can see again a great move can be expected from the market. So what I'm saying, you have seen a period of 3 years already. You are seeing a period of 2 to 3 years where the market was not performing. You can more expect this year or the next years. Again, the market may not perform to that extent, but the future is bright. The future is really bright. Janji, can you explain this investment process? Hello.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mr. Roy. Now I'm going to take it to the investment process. Lots of people, I'm looking at the chat box. Even people
Janji,
are
you have to be
asking.
loud. Your voice is not coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's audible.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I'm just looking at the chat. Lots of people are talking about stocks and everything. I will not go to the particular stock, but I can tell you the investment process. What should be done? Like people are talking about Rochisoy and anything. So I will not comment on particular stocks, but I will talk about the investment process, how it should be. Like if I want to invest into a particular business right now, first I'm going to read about the business a lot. If I feel it personally, if I can understand the business or I can see the growth, obviously I'm going to invest it. Let's say I give an example of I'm giving you people example. Like right now you want to open a bank account, normal bank account. In which bank you want to open? Let's say I'm giving two options: HDFC Bank and SBI. So just I'm just looking at the chat. In which bank account you are going to open? Just tell me with the reason. I will look for first 10 to 15 answer in which bank you are going to open your bank account. Random. HDFC, 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 HDFC. Okay, one SBI, then HDFC. Okay, means out of 10, 9 people have said HDFC and 1 people has said SBI. Actually, this is the ratio because the services HDFC is providing or maybe ICICI is providing. Some people are talking about ICICI even. Like, I'm not telling you to read the business. When you go into the HDFC bank, you feel it. That's why you are opening the account in HDFC. So this is the value what HDFC built over a period of time. Second thing, whenever I'm going to invest, I look for the long-term economics. So I will see where Indian economy is going. And मैं बोलता हूँ जिस देश के अंदर मोदी जी आके ये बोल रहे हैं क्या कि बैंक अकाउंट खुलवा लो, तो उस देश के अंदर ग्रोथ तो बहुत ही ज्यादा होने वाला है. दिस इज फॉर श्योर. Means the prime minister of the country coming on a news channel and telling people to open bank account. Can you see the growth? The tier 2 and tier 3 city growth are like tremendous. But whenever you are going to invest, you have to look for the margin of safety. I always tell, do not overpay for the stocks. So always look for the margin of safety as well. Plus, one thing you should also remember: able and trustworthy management. I always say good business plus good people. Good business plus good people is going to be your investment. If दोनों में से एक भी चीज नहीं है ना, you are not going to invest. Like if the people are good but the business is not good, how they can generate the return? If they don't generate, they will not give you. If the business is good but the people are not good, they will not let you earn. So you have to see the both. Good business plus good people will make money for you. So you have to look for both things. Good business plus good people will make a good money in the future. Plus, with this, like I'm giving you the choice. People are asking me multiple times what they should do. So my question to you people is, there is option one. From here you want to invest for 6 months or a half year, or you will see the more volatility into the market. The second option is you want to invest for 6 years, and we are right now at the bottom and everything is so cheap. In 6 years earning money is like earning money, you have to take very less risk, but in 6 months the risk is higher. For what option you want to go? Like you can tell the answer me into the chat box. I'm looking at option A or option B. Like 6 month or 72. B, 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 A, B,
Then, sir,
B.
if it is possible, can you please increase your volume?
Sir, right now it is good.
Uh, yeah, please.
Yes. It's okay now.
Yeah, can you please adjust your mic a little bit?
Okay. Let me do it. It's okay now.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, thank you. Option B. Multiple people are saying option B. So I must say, when like if we go for option B and the surety is so much, then why not to option B? The risk is also less. We are at the bottom of the market. Consult your financial advisor and start coming into the market, because for next 6 years everybody know India is going to zoom. और I must say to everyone, एक चीज आज अपने अंदर ठान लेना, क्या निफ्टी ने और एक इंसान ने दोनों ने ऊपर ही जाना है फॉर नेक्स्ट 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. एक इंसान ने और एक निफ्टी ने दोनों ने ही ऊपर जाना है. तो द चॉइस इज योर्स. यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट फॉर 6 months or 6 years. Okay, I got multiple answer B, B, B. So that is like very good. If you're going for B, I'm also going for B. Yes. Okay. Like scope in India is again very, very, very good. Okay. From here onwards, I'm just telling you, I have not political background. Whatever I'm going to say from here, what I actually see. Clear? So first, the scope in India, reduction of crude oil can be benefit. Yes, in April, Indian government has bought crude oil at very lower price. जब crude oil यहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे आ चुका था, people preferred, like government put like for next 1.5 year reserve they have bought in the April, because the price was very less. From here, if the crude oil price goes up, there is nothing harm to the country, because it is going to be into the reserve of Indian government. But second, like China's reputation is affected. India can be the benefit, but मुझे यहाँ पर लगता है क्या इंडिया से ज्यादा बेनिफिट ना वियतनाम को होने वाला है. Means if the companies are going out of China now, their first preference is Vietnam. Just go and see the data. Ki companies are moving towards Vietnam, not India. Yes, Yogi ji is doing very good for UP. They are coming to, like some companies are coming to UP. That is very, very, very good. But just go and check Vietnam, how much companies are moving there. Or I will share some data also, that I talk to the exporter as well, to what the importer as well, what they say right now about export or vocal for local. Okay, do you think, you have to reply me in chat, do you think vocal for local will work? Do you think हमारी इंडियन इकोनॉमी ऐसा है कि like they will like manufacture in India everything they don't have to depend on China? Okay, good. Not completely. Quality will suffer. No. Yes, it will work. Yes. No. No. Not completely. No. No. Not possible. Very good. Not right now. No. 50-50. 10 years के अंदर देखते हैं. लेबर लॉज में चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Good. Sure. No. Okay, lots of multiple answer going for local for vocal. This image I have shown you, like I am getting multiple answer is no, and I'm going with you. If you are looking at the image, did you see the wires behind this? This is world economy. This is world economy, China, USA, India. Again, it is very difficult. It is again very difficult to live without any other country, because we are like right now we are that much global. We have to depend on that. If I talk about China, 45% electronic comes from China. If I talk about machinery, 32% of machinery come to China. If I talk about chemical, 38% we are depending on 38% we are depending on chemical. If I talk about furniture, 57% of furniture market we are importing from China. If I talk about auto parts, 25% we are dependent on automobile part. If I talk about pharma, 68% we are depending on China. This is not very easy. This is going to be very tough task. Or today you are looking at the headlines, vocal for local. I also want to see vocal for local, but like I think it is like a vote bank. Earlier it was make in India. What happened? Right now we are shifted to vocal for local. Just go and see what is happening around. Do you people say local work, vocal work? Even if we remove Chinese CCTV, Indian shopkeeper would be like this image. Do you want to be like this? Yes. So this is after removing Chinese CCTV, Indian shopkeeper would be like this. They have to keep that. Means we need lots of improvement in India. That is not going to be done by within a 6 month or 1 year. It takes times and it takes effort also. And we people are talking about vocal for local, ban Chinese product. Yesterday I have read the news, 59 Chinese app were like banned into India. But what happened when the last Monday OnePlus 8 Pro sale in India and in minute? This is a Chinese company and people are buying like anything. In a minute, stocks out of stock. Who were buying? We are buying, yeah. This is how we will go for vocal for local. The answer is no. It is very difficult. It is very difficult for us to live without. Even I am not like only China. I talk about even other countries as well. I talk about like USA. It is again very difficult to live without USA even. So we have to see each and everything. We have to see what actually happening. We have to see the data also. We just can't go like this, ki this will happen, this will happen, we will ban Chinese product or something like that. Like this is something like like we have to change. And if you want to change vocal for local, it will take more time than it is showing into the media. I'm just betting you after 6 months, all news channel headlines are going to be changed. They are not like same that is right now. They are totally going to be changed. So we have to see the data. We have to take decision accordingly. We can't go like without data. We are saying anything or everything. We have to see each and everything here. Vocal for local for right now, I don't think so. This is going to happen. Uh, like it's like the way it was showing into the news channel, and I'm betting after 6 months, every news headlines is going to be changed. And yesterday I was reading about 59 like Chinese app were like. So I was looking at the apps. What Indian people are doing. Why can't we produce? Why can't we produce that? Like why can't we just like make the technology something like that? If everything is coming from China, why? We can also make it, but it will take time. It will not happen as early as you people are thinking about. Oh, but yes, I want to say yes, India is changing. Yes, it will take time, but India is changing. So I want to run a small video on that basis, if you will allow, and just confirm me whether the voice of video is coming or not. I'm just running a small video. Just have a look. Yes, India is changing, but not as much faster as news people are showing to us. Clear? So I'm just starting the video. So like no audio is coming.
No, sir, it's not audible.
Now,
Not at all, sir.
not.
It's not audible.
It's not audible. Okay, I will send you people this video like on your mail or something like that with the help of Satyuk Darshan College. So I will send you personally, or even I can send you the like PPT as well with the help of Satyam Darshan even. Clear? So I'm just skipping the video and I'm coming towards it. So I think Mr. Rohit sir,
Yeah.
are you here? So Rohit sir is going to talk about from here how India like Demat account opening or something like that, or COVID, how COVID changed the life.
See, what I have told you, this slide is explaining the numbers itself. The two things on which clearly shows that the numbers, the total number of demat accounts, it's on rise in the financial year FY 2021. It's approximately more than 4 crore accounts have been opened in this financial year. In the last 3 months in itself, the number of accounts open is more than that. So what what indicates the people? Pehla, I'm sitting at home, I don't have anything to work, chalo stock market में trade करते हैं. I'm facing some problem with this broker, or I'm not liking the service of this broker. चलिए दूसरे broker के पास account open करते हैं. So people who doesn't like to invest, or the people who doesn't want to trade even in the last 2 years, 3 years, or the 4 years, they have opened their account. They saw an opportunity. If a stock, suppose example I'm giving you, a stock like HDFC Bank, who was trading at 1600 or 1700 and comes down due to this temporary fall, or due to the COVID, and comes down 20-25% down. बैंक कोई खराब हुआ नहीं, बैंक तो अपना काम कर रहा है. आई जस्ट गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ Maruti, a company having a market share of more than 50, approximately 54-55% in 2012. This company has seen one of the biggest strike in 2012. The stock at that time was trading at around $1,200. After the strike in Maruti in Manasa plant, the price comes down to 600 and 700. 600 से 700 के बीच में ये प्राइस टूट के आया था. And at that time, due to this strike and the price correction, the retail customers, the retail people like us, was selling the stock, and the FIs, institutions, the mutual fund companies, the fund managers are buying this stock. Why? Because they see there is an opportunity. उन्हें पता था strike आज नहीं तो कल खत्म हो जाएगी. The strike will over. The company is there. The company is there. The company is not going. The जो उसका market share है वो हो सकता है in a quarter, for a quarter it will come down to 1% or 2%, but it will bounce back. And after that, after the strike was open and the company resumed its operation, the company has not seen that price ever. That price of $700 shoot up to 10,000 in a span of approximately 7 years. In a period of 7 years, अगर मैं उसे 1,000 भी पकड़ता हूँ उसका प्राइस, 1,000 का प्राइस shoot up to 10,000, means 10 times, 10 times in 9 years. So what I am saying is, जो मैंने पहले भी कहा, जो करेक्शंस होते हैं, जो मार्केट में करेक्शंस आते हैं, the corrections in the stock market or the corrections in the stock prices, those are temporary. Those can come due to any reason. सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुई आज आपके पीछे, आप जैसे अभी जैन जी ने चाइना का एग्जांपल दिया आपको. यू विल कीप हियरिंग दिस न्यूज फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 year. द इंडिया चाइना, द बॉर्डर पे कुछ हो रहा है. इससे पहले इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर्स पे हुआ. And due to that, the market reacts. Market can react. So you can see a fall in the market. Suddenly the market comes down to 300, 400 points. That fall can be there. Those are temporary falls. So in our language, like in stock market language, हम कहते हैं buy on fall. जब भी market में fall हो, buy कीजिए. If you, according to the Warren Buffett is a person who is one of the richest person in the world. According to him, if I like a stock who is priced at $1, if that, or suppose $10, if that price comes down to $5 or $2 due to any correction, why will I not buy that stock? कंपनी वही है, कंपनी वही काम कर रही है. So what means the corrections are temporary, and that's the reason you will see in the buying of the FIs and the DIs. Understand one thing: the DIs are buying 12, are putting money in Indian market 12,000 crore per month, 12,000 CR per month through what? Through SIP mode. हम systematic investment plan करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स में, स्टॉक्स में. So 12,000 CR is pumping every month through mutual fund segment. मतलब हो गया करीब करीब 1.5 लाख करोड़, 1.5 लाख रुपीस आपका DIs का बाइंग बनता है हर साल. जैन जी, जस्ट शो मी लास्ट स्लाइड अगेन, last slide, and see what mean FI is buying, and see what happens when a FI sell. See the selling by FIs of 65,000 CR in just 1 month. अगर 12,000 करोड़ की बाइंग के सामने आपके सामने 65,000 करोड़ की सेलिंग आएगी, डेफिनेटली यू विल सी अ पैनिक इन द मार्केट. यू विल सी अ पैनिक इन द मार्केट. उसके सामने एफआईज कितना भी मार्च में बाइंग बना ले, आपको उसके हिसाब से, उसके कंपैरिजन में एकदम से तेजी नहीं देखने को मिलेगी. एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव सीन अ chaos in the month of March when the market comes down from 10,000 level to 7,000 level. Next slide, Jain ji. See, in the month of March 65,000 की सेलिंग करी, लेकिन उसके सामने 55,000 की बाइंग भी करी है मार्च में डीआईज ने. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, इफ suddenly in 4-5 days or 6 days FIs was selling heavily, so market can see a sharp correction. लेकिन उसके comparison में आप देखेंगे January, February, March, the DIs were on regularly on the buying side. अगर आप in totality देखेंगे, DIs have put up more money, and that's the only logic कि जो मार्केट था उसने हमेशा बॉटम बनाया, वहां से स्ट्रॉन्ग बाउंस बैक दिया. 7,800 का जो 7,700 का जो बॉटम बना, वहां से मार्केट ने एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बाउंस बैक दिया. बाउंस बैक आया खाली लार्ज कैप में नहीं, मिड कैप में भी आया. बट स्टॉक्स विच आर strong on the fundamental side like Reliance, pharma sector, like जैन जी ने आपको फार्मा सेक्टर का एग्जांपल दिया. टेलीकॉम इज वन ऑफ द सेक्टर्स. सी अंडरस्टैंड अब बेसिक, मैं आपसे 1-2 मिनट और लूंगा इस पे sectorial पे. You have to understand the sectors which create wealth. Generally a sector like FMCG, which generally people consume. Now FMCG previously is considered only those stocks जिन्हें हम consume करते हैं, जिन्हें हम use करते हैं, खाते हैं, like आपका क्या कहते हैं, HUL हो गया, ITC हो गया, डाबर. नो, FMCG इज नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू ओनली दो स्टॉक्स. FMCG में वो स्टॉक्स भी आते हैं लाइक पेंट्स, एशियन पेंट्स, बर्जर पेंट्स, आपका टाइटन, दीज आर आल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन द FMCG स्टॉक्स, है ना. आपका इवन जो ड्यूरेबल स्टॉक्स होते हैं लाइक आपका वोल्टास हो गया, हेवल्स हो गया, दीज आर आल्सो कंसीडर्ड इन द FMCG सेक्टर ओनली. सो FMCG सेक्टर होता है जहां पे आपकी सबसे ज्यादा स्पेंडिंग होती है. एज एन इंडियन we spend on the one of the best stocks in the market. तो वही stocks आपके perform करते हैं. Pidilite is one of the stocks. So identify those stocks which have less competition in the market in comparison to others. Like Pidilite. अब Pidilite का अगर एग्जांपल देखोगे, उसका ब्रांड क्या है? Fevicol. So there is उसका कोई कॉम्पिटिटर ही नहीं है मार्केट में, एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजन दिस स्टॉक हैज जनरेटेड अ ह्यूज रिटर्न in the last 1 decade. But definitely there will be a shift in the stock selections. The stocks which have performed really well in 2007, 2008 are not able to perform now. Similarly, there can be some stocks which have performed in this last 10 years may not perform in next 10 years. So while selecting stocks or while selecting sectors, you have to be very judicial, and that's where a company like Motilal Oswal, or where and there is where a person like JNG or the Sanguine Capitals play a very important role, identifying the sectors, identifying the stocks. Here is the main thing. आपको पैसा जो लगता है आपका वो स्टॉक्स में लगता है. So identification of the stock, identification of the sector is very important. Like I just want to give an example in one of the sectors on which Motilal Oswal as a company is very bullish, and that's insurance. इंश्योरेंस, अगर आप आज भी देखें, चाहे वो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस हो, चाहे वो आपका मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस हो, या आपका होम इंश्योरेंस हो, कोई सा भी इंश्योरेंस है, वी सी इंश्योरेंस एज वन ऑफ द सेक्टर्स जो अभी भी अंडर पेनिट्रेटेड है इन इंडिया. सो देयर इज अ लॉट अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेलेबल इन द इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर. अब उसमें कौन कौन सी कंपनीज लिस्टेड है, लाइक एच डी एफ सी लाइफ इज देयर, एच बी आई लाइफ इज देयर, ICICI Pru is there. So there's a lot of companies already listed in insurance sector. So there is one thing which you can pick on the insurance sector. Similarly, AMCs like HDFC, AMC है, ICICI है. This is another sector जो लगातार पिछले काफी सालों से अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है. So you can play on AMC sector also. Jain ji, next slide. So basically, Indian fundamentals are well placed. Long term जो growth story है, it's intact. I think जैन जी आपको बताएंगे कि किस तरीके से हम लॉन्ग टर्म ग्रोथ पे अगर बात करते हैं या लॉन्ग टर्म इंडियन फंडामेंटल्स पे बात करते हैं. अगेन आई एम फोकस फेसिंग इम्पोर्टेंस कि शॉर्ट टर्म मत देके चलिए, हमेशा लॉन्ग टर्म देके चलिए. लॉन्ग टर्म देके चलेंगे तो शॉर्ट टर्म में पैसा बनेगा, लेकिन शॉर्ट टर्म में देखेंगे हमेशा हर चीज को तो हो सकता है लॉन्ग टर्म पे भी नुकसान उठाना पड़े. जयन जी, ओवर टू यू.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Right. So here we were.
Voice is not coming. You have to be loud slightly. Yeah.
Hello, it's coming now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rohit. From here we are talking about COVID-19 after Indian fundamental well placed remain a long-term growth story as we are talking about. But I want to talk about financial sector because like some students are also there and some teachers are also joining this webinar. So I just want to keep your focus on what type of financial, like how much changes are coming into the financial industry and how financial industry is moving. So I want to say first, fintech will drive the future new business model. Right now we are keep focusing on finance. Right now the future is finance plus technology. I am just telling you kya, according to the LinkedIn study, the top financial जो भी jobs हैं in UK are like if it keep focus on third, the software engineers. Means people are focusing, means financial companies are right now focusing on to hire the engineers. Why? They are looking at fintech will drive the new business model. Finance के साथ technology, because right now everybody wants whatever they want just a click away. If you want to buy a course, you want just click on it, you make the payment and you start watching the like whatever you want to see. At the same time, when it's about financial, in a click you want your demat account to be open. Yes, it is going to be open. And Mr. Rohit were saying exactly. Can you imagine last 2 months have more than in the year more than 4 crores in last lockdown, like a lots of demat account are opened. And do you know how much money came into this demat account? This is amazing. Plus, right now what solution people want, they want keep finance plus technology. So they do not like keep focusing only on the finance, because the future is robo advisory, robotics. Means right now like we people are giving advisory to anyone. If somebody come to meet me, I give them advice. But the future is not same. The future is robotics. The future is robo advisory. People are like like software itself giving you the solution, just put the problem into. At the same time, I must say digital become mainstream, or after COVID it has proved it कि right now the world is only going to be digital. And next a little bit I want to keep focus on the like shared economy. What we understand by shared economy is right now you are looking at if you look at your bank accounts, your bank account is connected with everything, your Paytm, your car payment, your petrol payment. Everywhere you see the banking is everywhere connected. At the same time, I talk about financial services. If I talk about Motilal Oswal, even they are just not providing you only what the opening of demat account. They are providing multiple AMC's facility. They are providing you if you want to invest into the international market as well. As I was looking through the chat, people were asking question how to invest money outside India. Motilal Oswal, there is a option if you want to invest into the business outside India. To me, just see what platform we have created in the past years, and what we have done right now is today, like our total focus is on finance plus technology. It's not only going to be finance, it's finance plus technology. Every solution is like technology driven. Everything you face, it's solved by the technology. Even we see like some part of, like if I talk about a bit about sales as well. So people see when it's come to sales, so there is a lot of data problem. Like people are shifting their jobs, they keep data from one place to another place. In the last some of the presentation of Mukesh Ambani, I have heard कि they say data is the new oil. Whosoever has the data will become the champion. Like Reliance Jio, they are keep focusing on data, because next oil is data. And right now, the big corporates are totally keeping their focus towards only and only safety of data. Or if I talk about robo advisory, artificial intelligence, they are going to solve everything on part of corporate part. So this is the changes what we are going to look at. Only finance will not solve the problem. Finance plus technology will solve the problem, and fintech will be the future. I must say, just do not like avoid technology with finance. And I was sharing, according to the LinkedIn study, the top financial job hired in UK is investment banking. Second is financial planning team, a part of financial planning. We call it para planners. And the third is software engineer. So in the finance industry right now, the software engineer is also in demand because everybody want to work on the technology. Even earlier there were only few companies, few big companies, those who are keep on providing financial services. But I have seen in last 2 years some small companies come with the finance plus technology, and they are getting the good markets. To go and see how small companies are coming into the market, come with the finance plus technology, and they are grabbing the market. Even what big businesses are doing, big businesses are also investing into the startup because they need idea, they have finances, but every time they want to create new. But when I talk about financial industry, so these are the more higher job. So there are a lot of student teachers are here today. So I want to advise us, look at where the opening of jobs is there, what I have to study, what is the future of financial market. If I am learning today what is going to be the future, only then I am going to outperform the everyone. Otherwise I'm not going to outperform anyone. But I must say, I must say, just keep focus on what coming into. What is right now going, that is present. But while doing making your career, you have to look for the future at the same time, and you have to see where there are job openings. Even I was going through this data. Like although Mr. Rohit sir has also covered this, like can you see May and June? Wonderful recovery by FII means foreign investor is so much bullish right now on the Indian market, then why can't we? Or this is the only time. Earlier, what we seeing is we seeing whenever the market fall, DII is out of the market. But this is the only time when DII make the entry. This is what I want to add on into this. So this is the wonderful part. DI didn't exit the market. They keep on investing, or most probably in next 1 year they are going to get the wonderful return also. And this is all done from my side. So this is what I want to convey you from our side, what we people are keeping focus on, how industry is going to work. So if you people are having any question, you can proceed with that. I think host can take the charge from here. So this is done from our side. Hopefully you like the presentation what we have given to you. then you can ask the question with the help of Mr. Mohit Kapil. Like the host can take from here.
Thank you, Mr. Jayan Kwatra ji, and thank you, Mr. Rohit Gupta ji. It was very nice session with you people indeed. I can see that you were answering some of the questions in the session itself. Let me take a few of the questions which the attendees have posted in the chat window. The first question is from Mr. Raju Kumar ji. Like, he's asking, how can we cope up with the fear and greed aspects of anybody's behavior to avoid losses and earn reasonable good interest?
Okay. Uh, Rohit sir, you are taking question or I should take?
See, that's it is one of the most tough thing to do, really, Rajkumar ji. मतलब एक fear and जो greed होती है, if a person it leaves stock market, it's a discipline, and discipline whether it's in the personal life or whether it's in the professional life or whether trading the stock market, if you can have discipline followed, you can make money. Generally you are sitting in a comfortable position. So what I was telling, identify your trading style first. First of all, before entering in the market, you have to identify yourself, whether you are a trader or whether you are an investor. First, आंसर क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ, मैं एक शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए खेलना चाहता हूँ, मुझे लॉन्ग टर्म में चाहिए. देयर आर मैनी पीपल लाइक आई हैव tried myself in the short term and I'm not a good player in short term, but yeah, when I'm investing for the long term I'm making good money. So short term के लिए क्या है, discipline. Long term के लिए क्या है, patience. So you have to identify your style. Now when you are investing in the for the long term, then you should have the patience and you have to cross check the quarterly results and the fundamentals of the company. But when you're playing on the short term, whether it's an intraday or the delivery for the short term purpose of 1 day, 2 days, or 1 week or 2 weeks, whether you when you're taking the position, then you are not seeing the fundamentals, then you're seeing the technicals or the charts or the how the stock is moving, how the open interest is moving, then you are seeing those parameters. So in those parameters, when you trade on the short term, you have to follow a certain stop loss. You should have a certain target. The ratio, the profit and the greed ratio should be in your control. So follow the discipline, you will make the money. If you're not following the discipline, definitely 2 or 3 times you make money, the fourth time everything will be gone. तो ये तो सर एक ऐसे ही होता है जैसे योगा कर रहे हैं आप, धीरे धीरे योगा स्टार्टिंग में लगता है कि आप बोरिंग है, लेकिन the more you practice, the more running you do, your body will start enjoying it. जैसे MBA students को in the starting the teachers used to say start reading Economic Times or the business newspaper, and they don't understand and they don't feel liking it. But once it is in the habit, they understand it and start enjoying it also. So same is with the stock market. आप वो practice के साथ आएगा सर. There is nothing we can teach you on that.
Thank you, Rohit ji. Rohit sir, the
No,
second
no.
question is from the ma'am Ruchi Srivastava ji. She is
Yeah.
saying that both of you said, and we can also see ourselves that in the financial market or in the entire BFSI sector, the artificial intelligence, the use of robotics, machines is going up day and day, and surely it is going to increase in the future as well. So does it mean that we are going to lose jobs for the individual personnel, or can artificial intelligence really replace the human brain, the thinking power of the individuals?
I think
To some extent, yes, ma'am. Definitely. Like if you compare a person doing a job in a factory in a 1930s, 1940s, 1950s, and those are replaced by the machines in 1980s, 1990s. So labor was replaced by the machine. Now, if you, as the technology moves, as the industry moves, going ahead with robotic, definitely I can't say on how the fast it will go ahead or kitni job जाएंगी. This figure is not with us, but definitely the what the machine can do or what the robotic can do, a individual person cannot do. Definitely, I just give you example. There is a it's a analytic tool was applied in HDFC Bank in Mumbai branch. So what is there? एक robot है वहाँ पे. People visiting the branch just have to go and ask their queries there. Or I give you a different example. If you see the mobile app of Motilal Oswal in itself, there's a there's a software called MO Genie. MO Genie. MO is Motilal Oswal and Genie is जो magic दिखाता है. So what the magic is, there is no magic logically. आज as an investor or as a trader मुझे जो भी चीज चाहिए, whether I want the ledger, I want the transaction reports, whether I want the capital gain report, whatever a person or as a client my back office requirement is, it can fulfill. Just you have to click on Emogenie app. You ask your question. Just give me a profit and loss for the last 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. It will ask another question, robotic. You whether you want in the Excel or the PDF. I say Excel. Whether you want to view or whether you want on an email, I say send your email, and it will send on your mailbox. So it works 24 hours, 365 days. So uh, what it helps me, the person sitting in the back office, he is now free from these daily requirements or daily routine work. He is now focusing on other problems of the client. So he is free from this कि आप मुझे ये PDF भेज दो, आज आप मुझे कैपिटल गेन भेज दो. So if Motilal Oswal has 15 lakh clients and suppose one client is placing one request in 1 month also, so 15 lakh requests is coming in 1 month. So that's not possible. For that, a company like Motilal Oswal has to employ a huge number in the back office. So now it's free from that. Only 10 to 15 people can solve their other problems. This problem is catered by the robot, the Emogenie app. So definitely you will see some changes in the coming future, and all the financial BFSI segment, all the financial services. It's not only in the broking, it's in the banking, it's in the airlines industry. You can see there is a mass changes will happen in the airline industry. All the service industry means what I'm saying. All the service industry will see a drastic change in the next 10 years. So definitely there will be a change.
Thank you once again, Rohit ji. The next question is from Mohammad Karamat Khan ji. As per him, he wants to ask both of you, like, do you see any kind of a trap in the financial market right now, which is pulling retail investors to buy at high prices?
Uh,
Jahanji, answer this question.
okay. Right now, I was talking to some of the good investors of Mumbai as well. Even when I talk about ki, like right now, people are feeling like trap on in this market because when we see whenever we see very small stocks are going up multiple times, some of one has asked about Ruchi Soya. Even Ruchi Soya has gone up multiple times at the same time with the Alok industry, at the same time with the Adani Greens, but right now they have reverted back. Right now they are into the lower circuit as well. But at the same time, I want to tell everyone, yes, it might be a trap. Market is not be very good at a very short run, but to cope up with that, what you can do is you can put money systematically. Plus keep one thing into your mind as well: do not put money into the small companies which do not have balance sheet or something like that. From here only the quality is going to be sustained. And right now I'm also feeling, yes, there might be some trap for small investor, but not into all equity, but into the like very small companies. Don't go by small companies until unless you have an experience of 5 to 7 years into the financial market. Don't go like right now what people, whenever the market goes up by 100 point, people feel FOMO, fear of missing out. Oh, I missed it. The moment they buy, after 10 days the stock price has come down. Right now you are thinking whether the my price should come or not. The solution for this is only invest systematically. And one thing I want to add more here is nobody can pick the high, nobody can pick the low. When the market was at 7600, nobody picked the low. Whenever the market is at 10,400 or 500, nobody like pick the high, or people are going for towards like profit booking or something like that. The only solution for this situation is invest systematically, whether you are going for equity, whether you are going for mutual fund or anything. But right now, like I must say, do not go with the heavy capital into the market right now. Just wait and keep cash with you. The market will give you the good opportunity. So invest in multiple time rather than keeping putting money at a single time. So the way you are feeling, we are also feeling, because small stocks has gone up multiple times, or in the history we have seen whenever the small stocks have gone multiple times, this is the trap for the retail investor. So be very, very, very curious about market, and exactly see what is exactly happening into the market, and keep cash. Do not get into the trap as well.
Thank you, Jayanji. The another question which I'm taking from the end of Mr. Rajiv Roy ji. As per him, I'm like reframing the question which he has put in the chat box. Like, if somebody is investing for a very first time in the stock market, like, would you be suggesting him to restrict his investment to only public sector undertaking to generate some consistent, reasonable returns?
First, I want to say is, if you are coming into the market, do not do the direct investment, or even if you want to do with a small amount. One thing I want to say, go with the mutual fund, because when you are new into the market, it takes time to study the market, it takes time to read about the market, because if you go directly you cannot read each and every company. So what you can do is you can give your money to the professional who is doing it. Like in the same, in the Motilal we have mutual fund as well, we have the PMS, we have the like great people are over the Motilal Oswal who are keeping track of every stocks at every point of time. Plus I must say, key, like if you are coming into the market, like whether you have go for public sector or private sector, I must say just go for valuation. If you are getting good value for money, then only buy, whether it's a PSU or whether it's a private company. What is my personal choice, I keep focus on like private companies. This is like personal choice, and I'm a bit biased on that. Key, I do keep investment in the into the private sector more rather than PSUs, because I see more growth into the private sector. If I take an example, in last 5 years, if you have seen the banking sector from public sector totally shifted to private. HDFC, ICICI, and Kotak take the major market shares. Even we have seen some like frauds in like PNB Bank, or we have seen one way back in SBI also. So people are right now moving towards private banking. So the market share is capturing by only major three banks from the private sector. HDFC is the biggest bank right now. Second, I take ICICI and Kotak. All three banks are just capturing the market cap. So I just want to say you whether keep it like a PSU or private. First, look for the valuation and margin of safety. If you are getting this, then do investment. And I am a bit biased towards private sector. That is like my choice that I do. You take your call, like whatever I have said to you.
Thank you, Jayanji. Thank you both the speaker for such a wonderful session. I can see that there were some questions related to some particular individual stocks, which I'm not taking up with the speakers, because Mr. Jayant initially told that investing in the market has a lot to do with our individual investment behavior and risk appetite. So we are not here to advise on any individual stock. So coming closer to the end of the today's session, on behalf of each one of us present here, I extend a heartful thanks to Mr. Jayant Kwatra ji and Mr. Rohit Gupta ji for sharing their experiences and knowledge. I am sure that today's session will add value to each one of us. Now, with the permission of both the speakers, I would like to come to the end of the session, and I would like to invite the Dean Ma'am, Dr. Sangeeta Trehan ji, to share her feedback of today's session and give a vote of thanks as well to both the speakers.
Thank you, Mr. Param. And thank you to both the speakers for these wonderful and insightful sessions. You have beautifully explained the financial climate in the historical perspective, starting with the Great Depression of 1930s, drawing parallels and analyzing the entire economic situation in a very lucid and fine manner. And you have also built the perspective under the current conditions of COVID 2019 and how the things will pan out as this COVID recedes. You have foreseen wonderfully and given us sound advice on what to expect in the days to come. Now, to the audience, I would like to give a few pieces of advice. We have talked about the international climate, economic climate as well, and how India, the Indian economy can possibly and potentially benefit. You have also noted the distinguished speakers' views on that and how, in reality, Vietnam is the country which is actually benefiting or going to benefit more from these opportunities being created worldwide. So I would urge all the audience, especially the youngsters, the trainees, the students, the young executives, everyone. If you have the spirit of enterprise in you, then please do explore avenues in that direction. So it's my plea to you that not to only think in terms of jobs, but let us think beyond jobs. The video that Jayantji and Rohitji shared, that link is there for all of you to access it. Now that video is showing the story of a very down-to-earth working girl, Saroj. So in a nutshell, India is changing and India needs to change further. The initiatives of Make in India or Atmanirbhar Bharat or Vocal for Local. Now, what is needed to make them successful is unleashing that energy and entrepreneurial mindset that is lying somewhere dormant within us. So again, with folded hands, I would urge those of you who have it in you, who if you believe that you have an idea, you have a concept and you can put it together in terms of the factors of production and make them work to deliver a useful product or service, do try it out. Seek help, right? And even those amongst you whose aim is limited, to being a financial planner or just to learn finance in order to manage personal finances or portfolio management, there are these entities like Sanguine Capital and so many others who have made it their mission to propagate financial literacy amongst masses. And there are these several self-help and self-study videos on YouTube you will find. So I would urge you that you should keep yourself up to date, be knowledgeable, empower yourself with knowledge about the economy, because finance is one area where in order to be successful, you have to be an all-rounder. That means you have to be an economist also. You need to know the macroeconomic trends. You need to know what's happening in each sector, because then only you can conduct fundamental analysis and make sound financial decisions for yourself as well as for, say, other companies whose wealth, you are managing. So this is my advice to you. Now, I think I have spoken enough. Towards the end, I would again pay my respects and thank you to our distinguished speakers, both our distinguished speakers, Mr. Jayantji and Mr. Rohitji. Mr. Rohitji, by the way, has joined us from Mumbai and he's from Motilal Oswal Securities Limited. He has loads of experience which he has shared with us. So thank you both for these wonderful sessions, for your wonderful summary, and also for handling the queries so beautifully. We really thank you and appreciate your effort. Also, I would like to thank Faridabad Management Association for partnering with us in organizing this event. Thank you, Mr. Tyagarajan and Mr. Abhay.
Thank you, ma'am, for your nice words. Now, on behalf of the organizing team of this conclave, I would like to invite my colleague, Mr. Mohit Kapilji, who is the co-convener as well for this event, to say a vote of thanks.
Thank you very much, Param sir. Sir, dear ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks to our eminent speakers. So I, on the behalf of SDIT and the entire organizing team, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Mr. Jayant Quatra, founder, Sanguine Capital Financial Services Private Limited, and Mr. Rohit Gupta, AVP Badge Advisory, Motilal Oswal Securities Limited, for gracing the important work and sharing your findings and opinions with us. Sir, I'm really sure that your research will definitely benefit to all of us. I have seen that you have, emphasized on scope of India and growth trends of Sensex and positive, positive aspects of COVID-19. So, thank you very much. At last, there is a quote for students and internees. Uh, you know, Games are won by players who focus on the playing field. I repeat, games are won by players who focus on the playing field, not by those whose eyes are glued to the scoreboard. So be focused and all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you
Very
so
well
much.
said, Mr. Mohit Kapilji. Thank you very much. Now, last but not the least, I would like to invite the Executive Director, Mr. Tyagarajan ji, who is joining us as a co-organizer team as well from Faridabad Management Association.
Thanks, Paramjit. Good evening, panelists, audience, and team SDIET. Great pleasure to give a vote of thanks. Mr. Abhay Kapoor, President FMA, also joins me in proposing vote of thanks. We had two very excellent and interesting session today. An outstanding learning session was given by Mr. Rohit Gupta. And thanks, Mr. Rohit Gupta. Awesome session given by Mr. Jayant Quatra. Thanks, Mr. Jayant Quatra. Thanks for giving such a good advice to the participants. We also thank Mr. S.K. Sachdeva, Chairman, Board of Governors, SDIET, and Dr. Mohammad Noor Deshmukh for collaborating with FMA. Thanks a lot, Dr. Sangeeta Trehan, Mr. Mohit Kapil, and Mr. Paramjit Singh Ahuja, and other organizing team members who have delivered this outstanding event. Also, thanks to industry partners. I must be failing in my duty if I don't thank the audience, wonderful audience, who have spared their valuable time, and they have participated consistently in large numbers in all the 4 days. Thanks, corporate participants, faculties, students, entrepreneurs, consultants. You have all made our day. Thanks a lot.
Okay. So thank you very much, Tyagarajan sir. Thank you, FMA. Unfortunately, there is a network connection with Param sir. So on the behalf of Param sir, I would like to follow up on that. We'll be keeping this meeting for 5 minutes. Those who have not submitted the feedback form, the link is available in the chat box. You all are requested to please submit the feedback form. Thank you everyone for joining us.